Okay, good day, people. My name is Johan Botha. I'm here from South Africa, and I want to introduce to you Apex Crypto Education Community Protocol and what it is and why it was created, and how you and I can benefit from the platform as well. All right. So this platform was launched on the 5th of April. So today it is the 9th, so it's only the 4th day today. Right, so that is to help and assist the global crypto community to learn about crypto and Web3 and also the online related safety and hazards involved in this industry. And while doing that, that you need to earn on the lightning fast network of OPBNB. This protocol is managed by a smart contract that cannot steal anybody's funds. It's automated, so we know the tedious work that goes into manual placements and manual matrices. So this smart contract is managing all of those things automatically. All right, so let's dive deeper into this. We know that each and every day we hear about people getting hacked, their funds are getting stolen, especially in the crypto industry. Phone hacks, because people click on links that they do not understand and they don't have the knowledge on what it is. But first of all, I must read you the disclaimer. I am obliged to do this. Please note that this presentation is for educational and informational purposes only. Apex Crypto Education Community Protocol is not an investment or a trading platform, and no financial, tax, or legal advice is given in this presentation. We are purely a community within a community that has created this platform to help and assist our fellow community members in navigating this space safely. So to keep your funds safely in your possession, right? And also to learn about that and also to know about the crypto tax compliance measures and laws and regulations that is changing all over the place now, because governments are getting much more stricter towards crypto and tax and how you need to declare it. Please take note, what we are giving here is only guidelines, it's not professional advice. So yes, you are still responsible for your own personal tax obligations and always, excuse me, pay to Caesar what belongs to Caesar. Right? Do not try and hide your tax declarations from crypto, because it's not possible anymore. The laws and the regulations have changed recently. You cannot hide your crypto anymore. Those days are over. All right, so crypto and decentralized finance inherits its own unique risks. Do not spend money that you cannot afford to lose. All right, so always keep in mind Hebrews 13, verse 5 to 6, that says, make sure that your character is free from the love of money. All right, we don't make a god of money, but protect your heart from chasing after money and getting into the love of money, because that will distract you and it will destroy you at the end of the day. All right, we are here to help you and assist you and educate you on all the aspects of, especially in the crypto industry and in a broader sense, the online, how to stay safe online. All right, so what is Apex Crypto Community Protocol? How can you learn and earn in this platform at once? So let's look at the two industry issues that we need to learn about. It's crypto and tax, as I said already. The days of hiding your crypto assets from the revenue collecting authorities is over. All right, so, but you and we're not sure what we need to declare, and we will guide you on what to do. We are not financial or tax advisors. So that's one of the products already uploaded on the website that you will get access to. So, and you also do not know how much and what you need to declare and when. So that is also, we're going to give you guidance on that. Right? You still need to consult with a registered tax advisor for these things when you do your declarations each and every year. Right? And also the second issue that we have, all of us have, is to stay safe online, especially in the crypto industry and the financial industry. Right, crypto crime is still heavily driven by scams, theft, and social engineering. And this social engineering is the biggest way where hackers or scammers are getting hold of your funds and get into your devices. All right, so Chain Analysis has reported that more than $2.17 billion has been stolen from cryptocurrency services by the end of June 2025, already exceeding the whole of the year of 2024. And this is a constant thing. We hear about this each and every day. If it's people getting hacked on their WhatsApp because they clicked on a link they were not supposed to click on because they didn't understand it and didn't know about it. They got hacked. People are they're taking over your devices. All right. Remember, as the technology increases and gets more complicated, so does the hackers and the scammers also invent ways to use that for their own purposes. But you and I need to get clever, and we need to counteract it and to make sure that we are safe and our funds are safe as well. So wallet providers and security teams also continued warning through late 2025 and early 2026 about phishing, malicious browser extensions, fake support, and fake meeting or share screen scans. All right, and we need to be very, very careful about these things. All right, this is taken over most of our lives. I don't know one person that is going without a phone that doesn't need any phone. All businesses are technology driven and connected to the internet in today's day. Right, so traditional finance usually lets you call the support, dispute a transfer, or reverse an unauthorized card payment when you're dealing with a bank with fiat currency. Right, crypto often does not do that. You are basically in control of that. So that changes the job description for you as not only the user, but you are not only the investor or customer. In many cases, in crypto, you are your own security team, and you need to be educated about that and how to stay safe. So the goal of this guide is not paranoia. It is the guides that you receive or the products in this protocol. It is to help you build a safe, simple, repeatable operating model that makes costly mistakes less likely. We know that we cannot bulletproof everything, but we're trying our best to educate you as far as possible to stay safe. All right, so the problem that you need to solve basically is the same thing. Is how we're going to solve that is through education and sharing. The primary purpose of APEX is to create a secure, scam-free learn and earn ecosystem where members can safely navigate the cryptocurrency space and earn rewards while doing so as well. So instead of moving your money around, APEX is fundamentally product-backed. This is not just a matrix where you pay and you start only from that. There is a product available. And you get access for that with a once-off entry fee of 0.005 BNB on the OPBNB network. We'll get to those details very shortly as well. That is a direct purchase that grants you access to an ever-expanding digital library of vetted crypto education products, guides, and tools. So this, as the industry increases and develops, so will the library and the types and the formats of products as well. All right, so then there's also incentive basically built in the system for you. We call it the creator pathway. APEX is designed to turn learners into leaders. Right, so once an active member reaches a maximum cap of 51 positions in a single wallet, they unlock the VIP creator status. So what does that mean? When you purchase your first product, you will connect your wallet, and that wallet can purchase up to 50 extra positions. So one wallet can create 51 positions. You do not have to register 51 wallets. You can register one wallet with and buy 50 up to 51 positions. That includes your initial purchase as well. Right, so this allows them to submit their own digital platforms or products to the library for free. But obviously, safety must be kept first. So You cannot just submit anything, and everything will be vetted, and there will be a strict vetting process by the team. So this will ensure that the community is only exposed to high quality, legitimate educational tools and is protected from scams. Right? We hear about scams each and every day. So what is the solution? The main reason for this protocol, as we already said, is to give you that education. So yeah, you will enter this protocol with 0.005 BNB on the OPBNB network, and we'll see why we use this network specifically. And that's going to cost you around about $3 or 50 Rand in South Africa. And that's a direct purchase that grants you access to ever increasing and expanding digital library. Right, so that we already discussed. So the membership rewards system, that also gives you access. Your purchase will also give you access to the connected rewards system within this protocol. Because we also believe that while we are in this space, we can also earn from that while we are learning as we go along. It's a 3x3 matrix structure. So when you buy your product, you get positioned at the top of your own small network for free. Right, so beneath you will be 3 positions, and that will be complete your level 1. You will be upgraded to level 2 automatically. You will get a payment there. You will get basically 90% of your fee, your purchase fee back when you complete level 1. And then level 2, there is 9 positions. And then it branches out to level 3. There's only 3 levels here, which is 27 positions. But level 3 is broken down in 3 sub levels. After each level, from level 2 to level 3, you're getting a re-entry, and you do not have to pay for those re-entries as well. It comes out of the funds generated already. Right, and that will give you a re-entry back into the bottom of the matrix. That also ensures that the system doesn't stagnate or get stuck, because it will keep on feeding from the bottom upwards. All right, so as new members join the community and they fill the positions beneath you, the smart contract automatically sends BNB rewards directly to your wallet on each level. There's no manual payments or withdrawals in this system. Right, so when you reach specific milestones at level 1, you're getting a payment. Level 2, you're getting a payment. And level 3 has got 3 segments, which when they complete, you're getting paid as well immediately. Right, so the pay it forward engine that I was talking about, this is to prevent the system from stalling. So Apex uses automated re-entries. When you earn the bigger rewards from level 2 and level 3, the system automatically takes a small portion of your profit to buy you a re-entry. And that buys you a brand new position at the bottom of the entire community tree. Right, so this means that the successful veterans or the older members are constantly placed back at the bottom to push newer members upwards. Now, you do not have to create a new wallet for these re-entries. These re-entries will be connected to your first wallet that you registered. And remember, they will also count towards your 51 position. Right, so bulletproof payouts. If the network has a glitch or there's some reason that you cannot get your payment, if there is some issue with the BNB or the OPBNB network, then that money doesn't get lost. It gets held in a vault, and you need to withdraw it, and only you can withdraw that money. Right, so no one else can touch that money. But the thing is that it's bulletproof. The smart contract can only send it to your own direct registered wallet. Right, so the BNB will never ever be lost. So the contract safely stores it internally so that you can manually withdraw it at any time. And you will also get a notification, or you will see it in your back office as well. And then there's infinite scaling. So while one wallet is kept at 51 positions, to organize the creator status perk, you can create as many wallets as you want to keep buying positions and growing your matrix. All right, so let's carry on here. Why are we using BNB on the OPBNB network? There's basically 2 reasons for this. The main reason it is lightning fast and it ensures immediate payments. There's almost no transaction fees on the OPBNB network, as we have seen on other networks where you have to or constantly increase and buy more BNB for gas fees. The OPBNB network almost uses zero gas fees to do the transactions. Right, so here's the reward system broken down. Let's just have a look here. So your milestone level 1, your once off entry fee is 0.005 BNB. All right, so you will earn on level 1 after you receive 3 positions under you 0.0045, and that's basically 90% back, 89.5% that you get back there. That there is a 0.5% sustainability fee that is just to keep maintaining the system, the platform, the website, and so on. That is for the programming basically. So that is really not much. Some platforms are asking 5%, even more, so 6%, even more sometimes on withdrawal. So you don't have to pay this. This is done automatically by the smart contract. Let me just go to the next slide. It will give you a better picture of this. So your first level, there's 3 positions under you. You will receive 0.0045 minus the 0.5% sustainability fee, which will give you 0.0044775. And in dollar value, that's about $2.74. Taken that one BNB is valued at $612. Today, BNB is $600. So it will definitely differ. And in the Rand value, that is about 45 Rand. And you paid 50 Rand to enter. Right, so on level 2, that will upgrade you to level 2. On level 2, you will receive 9 positions under you. And then when you complete level 2, you will receive a payout of 0.00599 BNB, which is roughly $3.67 or 60 Rand. So you are already in profit when you hit level 2, when you complete level 2, right? So same thing, now you upgrade it to level 3, and level 3 is broken down in 3 segments of 9 positions each, right? So at every end of every level that is completed or segment that is completed, you're going to receive a payout of 0.02 BNB minus the sustainability fee, and that will give you about $9.29, which is around 152 Rand in South Africa. All right, so all in all, that will duplicate itself up until your level 3 is completed completely. So all in all, you will receive 0.076 BNB when one position completes one cycle. You will receive 4 re-entries back at the bottom of the matrix automatically. After deduction of the sustainability fee, you will gain, or you will receive about $34 or 560 Rand. Right, so you started with 50 Rand, you make more than 500 Rand in South African Rand. You started with $3 in dollar value, this is on one position only. Remember, you're getting 4 re-entries as well. So one position is going to cost you about $3, and you will make around $33 in the whole process. All right, so note that the sustainability fee is calculated from the remaining reward after your re-entry fees have been deducted. All right, so this will ensure that only the fee that you pay on the actual profit, it is not taken from any other fund. Only when you getting a payout, that is when it's getting deducted. Right, so this information is provided for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice, and cryptocurrency investments are highly volatile and subject to significant market risk. So please conduct your own research and exercise caution before participating in any protocol or platform or making any investment decisions. Take note, this is not an investment platform. All right, this is an educational platform. All right, so how do you get registered? You get started, and we highly recommend you use the SafePal wallet, that you download the SafePal Web3 wallet. when you download the SafePal Web3 wallet, the first thing, or any wallet that you download in crypto, make sure that you write down your 12-word seed phrase. That is your recovery phrase, and make sure that it is safely backed up, because that is your key to the wallet. If anybody gets access to those 12 words, it is gone. Right, and I can see our time is almost up here. So then you need to fund your wallet with BNB on the OPBNB network. If you do not know how to do that, people will help you, or we will help you. It is very, very easy. Right, you just need a little bit for that gas fee. So we advise people to add 0.0051 BNB. That's not even 1 cent, maybe, in value. Right, so this will cover the network fees. So this is equivalent to about $3 or 50 Rand, between 50 and 60 Rand. It depends on the BNB value of the day. So ensure that you bridge or you withdraw your other BNB specifically to the OPBNB network. This is very important. If you use any other coin, it will not work. It will not register you. All right, so then there's one registration link that we have. To copy this registration, please copy it. Do not click on it. It's going to take you to the website, but you won't be able to do anything if you click on it. Right? It needs to be pasted in your DApp browser on your inside your SafePal wallet. Right? So then you open a DApp browser, you paste it in there, and you make sure that you're on the correct network, and then you press go, and you press on buy digital product to purchase your first position. So I'm just going to click on the link and take you there to show you what it looks like. After we have updated it, we have moved the stuff around a bit because it was very all cluttered up. This is how it looks on the laptop, right? So you do not have to connect it. It will connect automatically to the smart contract. It will show your address there, and then you know it is connected, right? And you can see that the dashboard is synced. The wallet-specific data is filtered to the connected address. All right, so that's the entry fee, the number of positions that you have this wallet has bought already. And then if there is any balance available, it will be displayed here, and then you need to go and withdraw the money. So your received rewards up until that time will reflect here. Just give it some time to update. There's 5 tabs on this website. First one is your buy. You will see buy, and you will come to, when you come in the first time, this button will say buy digital product. So if you want to purchase more positions, you first need to buy your first one separately, and then after that you can buy more positions. You will click on buy more positions, and then it will just confirm the transaction. Make sure you have the funds in the wallet, and then also please read carefully. Only use BNB on the OPBNB network when buying a digital product. Do not send BEP20 token, right? Or have that in your wallet. It will not connect because you have to be on the OPBNB network of mainnet, OPBNB network, right? So then we have your My Entries tab, and here you will get a breakdown of your all of your direct positions that you have bought. So you can see that this one has been completed all over already. Your first level is received 3, second level is 9, and then level 3 is broken down in 3 level segments, each 9 positions. And after each level that is completed, you're getting a payout, as we discussed in the PDF. So here you're getting about 90% of your initial fee back already. Here you're going to get more than that on level 2 and level 3. You're getting about $9, $9, $9. So all in all, you're going to receive about $30. It will also tell you here how much you have received on level 1, level 2, and level 3, right? And also your re-entries that it has created. Right, so this position has completed its 3x3 matrix cycle and already created all 4 re-entries. Right, so level 1 reward is unlocked, level 2 reward is unlocked, level 3 reward segment is unlocked, and 4 re-entries created. And you also can see that level entry number 2 has also finished its complete cycle. So yes, and all your positions will be displayed here at the bottom. You can just scroll down all the way to see the entry and the details for each and every position there. Then we have the rewards tab. So here, there's a breakdown of the matrix that we discussed in the PDF right now as well. Here it will tell you all in BNB value. The re-entry reserve, here you can see the breakdown on each level. On the first level, there's no reserving for re-entries. From your second level, you're getting your re-entries reserved from the funds that it generates. You don't have to pay for that extra. So all in all, you're going to get 4 re-entries from one position. Right, and then they also give you a breakdown of your whole wallet positions, the number of wallets you have. You'll see a 23 out of 51 slots remaining 28. The wallet can still register 28 positions. Then it is completed. It cannot register any more positions. It will show you the received rewards. It will show you the number of entries loaded already. Right, and then the next entry will also show up. So you'll have multiple positions and you can see which entry will be number next. So entry number or position number 32 on this wallet is the next one to receive, and that will be position number 95. That will be the first direct for this position number 32. That means that it will also tell you how many positions is still open before you're getting your first payment again, or your first direct. And there's 15 in this case. There's 15 still ahead for this number 32 to receive it. Then it will tell you here the current highest level is level 3 and your level 1 positions, your level 2 positions, your level 3 positions, and the number of completed positions of the wallet itself. Right, your wallet address will appear there. You can also download the CSV wallet report, and this is for tax purposes, just to make it much easier to report your tax and to declare it. So everything is in one place. You can download it directly from there. But it's only going to be reporting on that specific wallet. Right, so that's why we recommend people starting with a brand new wallet. They create a brand new wallet, not to get it mixed with other funds. So that is the rewards tab, and then we have the tools tab. Right, so here you can inspect any position in the matrix from number 1, and then it will load up until the last one you will have access to. So you can see there. So this highlighted in light green, that shows this wallet's direct positions. They are situated. But it will also give you a breakdown of that matrix number placement as well. How many? Let's go to number 31. Well, no, it's too high. Let's go to number 25. Remember, we just started on Sunday, so number 25 is already on level 1. What does that mean? That means he has received a payout and he's already upgraded to level 2. All right, so you can see also the breakdown. Number 25, current level is level 2. The parent or the position that he directly under is number 8, and number 8 goes to number 3, and number 3 feeds to number 1. Right, and that's the wallet address of that position number 25. So it's totally decentralized. There's no personal information on this platform. I don't know who that address is unless I know that person has registered. But you will also get a breakdown that there's his rewards. And if you go to that wallet, you will see that is exactly what is in that wallet. And we can actually do that. Let me just see if that is possible. Can't copy the whole address here. But you can go on the blockchain explorer, and then you can view that and see and correspond if that wallet has received that funds, and it will definitely show that. Talking about the smart contract, you can access it directly from here as well. Right at the top, you will see that it says view contract on Explorer. But let's first finish here. The tools, there we have that. We can search entries, and you can follow your own re-entries and see where they are and how far they are. Right, and then we have the products as well, because that is the main reason why we joined this or we created this platform. You can download your digital products here. It's only digital products here. So this will expand later on with videos, guides, bonuses, and member downloads all in one place. Will all be on this. This will expand. We have now two products at the moment. So